Hi, guys. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, depending where you're watching from. My name is Happiness Jack, and you're watching Unique Boss TV. Please, guys, subscribe to support me, show me some love, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Unique Boss TV. I'm going to be dealing on relationship and marriages and how to know your spouse. Okay. And having said that, my first topic I'm going to be deliberating on is going to be love. Some girls do flaunt what their boyfriend buy for them, or their husband, their hobby, or their spouse. Oh my God! Oh God damn it! This guy truly loves me. Just got me on the iPhone 11. Oh, this guy truly loves me. Just got me a G-Wagon. No, that is not love. For you to know what is truly love, you have to know the definition. And what is the definition of love? Love, they say, as it is written in the dictionary, is an intensive, deep affection you feel for someone. As you can see from the definition in the dictionary, love was not attached based on objects. It was not written that if you have a gift from someone or an object from someone, it truly means this person truly loves you. No, that is not what is called love. Maybe the person cares about you, okay, but it is not love. Love is a very deep affection felt for somebody. That is the meaning of love. Love, number one, does not lie. Number two, love does not cheat. Love does not bring you down. Love fights a battle for you, even behind your back. Love is not selfish. Love is not self-centered. Love is not uh, um is not love does not boast. You don't boast when you are in love. I did this for my wife, or I did this for my girlfriend. Love does not count errors. It does not count what you've done, what you've not done. No. If you truly love somebody and you surprise that person with a gift, or you spoil that person, you don't even remember if you did such a thing. It gives and don't record. That is called love. When you are giving and you are recording it and you're counting it and you're announcing what you are doing, so-called doing, and you are expecting something in return, and that thing you're not getting it, it's not love. You are not in love. You are in shambles, not love. With this very few points of mine, I hope I have been able to convince you and not to confuse you about love. Thank you. Bye bye. Love you guys.